Stop. If you're thinking about buying TalkieAI Pro, there's something you need to know first. TalkieAI Pro is claiming it can turn any keyword into viral virtual human videos that dominate TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and more, all without recording, editing or ads. TalkieAI Pro is marketed as the world's first set and forget AI app that generates talking head-style videos in seconds. Imagine clicking a button and watching your content pull in 100,000 plus views daily, while turning those views into $500 plus autopilot payments. That's the promise. And if you grab TalkieAI Pro through my link below this video, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599, free. These bonuses are designed to help you launch faster, attract students or clients, and multiply your results. What is TalkieAI Pro? It's a cloud-based AI engine that creates virtual human videos in 50+ languages and dozens of accents. You don't record, you don't edit, you don't even write scripts, the AI does it all. From generating scripts, voiceovers, avatars, to blasting traffic, it's built to automate the entire video creation process. Benefits: why people are interested. Automation: no manual recording, editing or scripting. Scalability: works in any niche, any platform. Monetization: turn free views into commissions. Multilingual: 50+ languages, dozens of accents. Commercial license: create videos for clients, keep 100% profit. Inside, TalkieAI Pro ULL get iScript Writer AI voiceover generator virtual human avatars, 60+ options, lip-sync animations and emotion control. iTraffic Blaster text to video and audio to video generators commercial license plus one-time pricing. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep this review completely honest. Pros: automation, scripts, voiceovers, avatars and editing all in one workflow. Beginner friendly, no skills or equipment needed, just type a keyword. Multilingual, create videos in 50+ languages. Commercial license, offer video services to clients, keep 100% profit. One-time pricing, no monthly fees during launch offer. Cons: no guaranteed virality, success depends on content quality, niche, and consistency. Content review needed, best results come from refining AI output. Not fully passive, audience growth still requires marketing and effort. Results: what to expect. If your goal is to save time creating talking head videos, TalkieAI Pro appears well positioned for that. Coaches can deliver training, entrepreneurs can build branded academies, agencies can offer client services. But your success depends on your niche, marketing and consistency. Now let's talk about my bonuses. Bonus 1: Viral Video Launch Blueprint, value, $299. Step-by-step guide to launch your first AI video campaign in one weekend with pricing, retention and monetization strategies. Bonus 2: Traffic Accelerator Kit, value, $300, AI prompts, organic traffic hacks, social media templates and outreach scripts to attract viewers without paid ads. Total bonus value, $599, yours free when you get TalkieAI Pro through my link today. Is TalkieAI Pro actually worth buying? If you're looking for an AI tool that can help speed up the production of talking head-style videos by combining script generation, AI voiceovers, virtual presenters and multilingual support into one platform, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. Click the first link in the description to secure TalkieAI Pro plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.